gentlemen, welcome to Atlanta. Local time is 4:41. If you would like to use your cell phone, you may do so at this time. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all of your carry-on luggage stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. When gathering your personal belongings, please open the overhead bins carefully. Items may have shifted and could fall out upon opening. If you have questions here about baggage claim, ground transportation, or connecting flights, there will be Delta representatives meeting our flight just after you pass through Customs and Immigration. On behalf of Delta and SkyTeam employees worldwide, we do thank you for flying with us. We do sincerely appreciate your business and look forward to seeing you real soon on another Delta flight. Also, ladies and gentlemen, you may use your cell phones at this time, but we do want to let you know that the use of your cell phones is strictly prohibited in the Customs and Immigration area. Please make sure you have them turned off or put away. Also, if you did purchase any duty-free items back in Grand Cayman, any 3-ounce or greater liquids, perfumes, gels, liquor bottles,